Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, first solution is clean the iPhone microphones. So guys, check your iPhone microphone and clean this. So the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for this restart, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here. So the next solution is give the app microphone access. So for access, open settings, scroll down. So tap on any app here. So like I am voting. So check microphone. So here microphone is turned off. So enable this microphone access. So enable microphone access on all your apps. So after this, the next solution is disconnect Bluetooth headsets and wired headphones. So if you have connected your Bluetooth with any device, so turn off Bluetooth. So after this, the next solution is disable noise cancellation on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on tap on setting accessibility, scroll down, tap on audio visual, scroll down and tap on, so tap to turn this phone noise cancellation turn off. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. If you haven't available, update your iPhone to the latest version. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, the last method is reset your iPhone settings. So for this, open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings here. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your iPhone microphone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.